Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. We're out here in the garden and we're going to do a little update on our Victory garden, see how everything's doing. Now it's been chilly here for the past little while. Looked like I got a few weeds creeping through. We didn't do a real good weeding job, but it's easy enough. Grab a hold of these things and try to get them out of there, at least deter them so they're not doing as good. But what we're doing is we're taking a look at the progress of these seeds and transplants in the Victory garden, or my kitchen garden. And as you can see, our onions are kind of holding in there. They're, like I say, it's been pretty cool here lately. In fact, we've had some nights in around 27. Most of this is all ready to take the cold weather. You can see our mesclun mix. It's there. It maybe grew just a little bit, but not much. It needs some heat. Same thing here with our collards. They're trying to go, but they ain't going very fast. Our beets, they look good despite the cold weather, but you know, that warm weather would really help them out. Our bok choy right here is it's a little bigger, and our Chinese cabbage is a little bigger. Our big late flat Dutch cabbage is doing well, and we've got real good germination here on our turnips and mustard seed. And I came down here today and I noticed I've got all these little green things coming up in here, kind of all over. And we know what those are. Those are our carrots, but they seem to be germinating good. Our radishes are hanging in there, and now our shallots are starting to pop up. We had just one, our last update. Now we have a couple more there, and there's one, and there's a couple more right down here coming up. So we're getting good growth on them, especially, like I say, how cold it is. But anyway, that's going to be the end of January update, and hopefully we'll get warmed up so we can plant this other row of our Victory garden. But like it is right now, we might be holding off a little bit longer. Maybe we'll be lucky, and this next week we can get some broccoli plants put out in here. But anyway, if you're not subscribed, you want to follow along with this project, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and click all so you'll get the notifications. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And start your Victory garden today.